All right, let's see what is in the fridge. Oh my god. Hey, there's some Pepsi in there. Believe it or not, nothing has rotted. Look at that egg. It's still in here. What is this? Sell by April 30th. Some cheese. Wonder what the freezer looks like. God, it's sealed shut. Oh my god. Huh. None of this food is any good though. Oh my god, look at that. Boar's head. Ew, none of this is any good. Look at this fridge, it's fucked. That is gross. That is gross. We should go look in that freezer now. Let's go look at this freezer. Oh my god. I can smell it. Oh my god. It smells like a dead animal in here. It seriously smells like dead animal in here. Oh my god. Oh. That is gross. Look at that meat up there. This shit thawed for 6 weeks. Oh. Oh, that's so gross. Dude, it straight up stinks up in here. It smells. Oh. Out of here. Out of here. It's gross.